What's going on, guys? Aaron here. Welcome to the video. So there is so much good news that I want to cover in this video, but also it's just very, very strange, the fact that Bitcoin has just been oscillating up and down for the last couple months. I want to talk about what's going on in the markets, in the news, but also what I am doing personally, which is actually pretty boring. So let me start out right here. There's a new crypto task force, which is pretty amazing. Now there's an email, crypto@sec.gov, if you want to talk to somebody, which is a huge step up from where we were over the last 8 years when nobody could find anybody to talk to. Next, we have Elon Musk confirming that he wants to put the US Treasury on a blockchain. So we do not know which blockchain this will be. Everyone is hoping that it's their blockchain, the one that they hold, or the coin that they hold, right? Everyone's like, I really hope it's mine, because we all want our bags to go up. Speaking of bags, let's take a look really quick at Ondo. So Ondo has been doing really, really well. They just had their Ondo summit. So most likely a lot of this price action here was leading up to the summit. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. But nonetheless, let's take a look at the prices really quick. So again, Bitcoin has just been oscillating, but we have seen the market continue to go down, which has been really, really, really challenging for those holding a significant amount of altcoins. Athena is down, Pepe is down, Trump is down a lot. Basically, every single coin in the top 100 is down. But before I go more into the charts, right here, Eric Trump, Trump's son, says, feels like a great time to enter Bitcoin. So hilarious. And then remember a few days ago, he was like, it's a great time to buy ETH. It's like, what is he doing? Here, this is pretty big news and actually really good news for those of you guys that were caught up in the FTX bankruptcy. Those of you guys that had a claim less than $50,000 will start to get that money starting on February 18th. And this should bring about $1 billion or so over the next couple months into the markets. This could bring some liquidity, or this could bring some price action. But again, this is not that much money. It's just about $1 billion. And just to give you kind of an idea of what $1 billion is, XRP has a market cap of 136 bill. So it's really not going to do that much. I saw this. I thought this was very cool. These are the states looking to adopt Bitcoin, and pretty remarkable, right? Here we got news saying Trump is going to launch a Bitcoin Plus ETF. So the president is going to launch and be the issuer of a Bitcoin Plus ETF. We don't know what this will be. We don't know if it'll be Bitcoin Plus Trump coin. We don't know if it'll be Bitcoin Plus anything else. It's pretty interesting though, right? Because especially if they have a Bitcoin reserve and then Trump is going to create his own ETF that will have Bitcoin, it just seems kind of complicated and convoluted. But nonetheless, this is what's happening. And this is pretty cool, and I hope this happens in the US soon. Czech president signed a law removing the capital gains tax on Bitcoin after 3+ years of holding that Bitcoin. And Katie from Plan B Passport says, do you have ancestors from Czechoslovakia? Let us get you a Czech or Slavic passport. Because I guess there's a way, if you can prove that you have ancestors from Czechoslovakia, to somehow get the benefit of this, where if you hold Bitcoin for over 3 years, you won't be taxed. So that's pretty cool too. So before I head to the charts and share with you what I am looking at, what I am up to right now, a couple clips. The first one from RFK Jr. talking about Bitcoin, and the second two from David Sachs talking about the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve.
Our money is broken. Bitcoin is the off-ramp from the inflation highway of doom. If the world were on a Bitcoin standard and our money held its value, we would all have the ability to live more abundant lives. Bitcoiners have it right. Fix the money, fix the world.
Bitcoin, it was the first digital currency, and it's the original, it's the strongest one. No one's ever hacked it, no one's ever cracked the security around it. And so it is an excellent store of value. Bitcoin is run on, as you know, a blockchain. It's basically a distributed ledger, which is essentially a form of decentralized computing. And that platform can be used to create a lot of other types of products. And so that would be sort of technology area number 2, is all the innovation that can be built on top of blockchains.
One of the things that the president instructed us to do was to evaluate the idea for a Bitcoin reserve. And so that is one of the things, that's one of the first things we're going to look at as part of the internal working group in the administration. So as soon as we get all that set up, we're still waiting for some cabinet secretaries who are on the working group to get confirmed. So we're still in the very early stages of this. But that's one of the first things we're gonna look at is the feasibility of a Bitcoin reserve.
So that's pretty big news. That clip from RFK Jr. was from Nashville last year at the Bitcoin conference, but the clips from David Sachs, who's the crypto AI czar and is spearheading a lot of what's going on with the Bitcoin strategic reserve, that was from, I believe, the last like 5 to 7 days. So there's a lot going on, and a lot of people are just really confused about why is Bitcoin kind of going sideways and being boring. Why is Bitcoin dominance continuing to go up tremendously? Essentially, why is the vast majority of the market share going to Bitcoin? Why aren't altcoins doing well, right? This is the market cap showing the dominance of all the coins not in the top 10, and it has been going down a ton over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So people can point to a lot of different things here. Some people are going to say things are going to flip when the Fed policy changes from QT to quantitative easing. Some think it's going to have to do with the Ethereum chart right here, because Ethereum usually is the first driver before the rest of the altcoins rally. The other day when we had that massive sale on all of these coins, Ethereum wicked down right here to around $2,100. Now, this had been a previous level of support several times, and also a big point of resistance back in April of 2023, and also way back in February of 2021, before we saw that parabolic rise for the price of Ethereum. So what am I doing right now? Well, to be honest, it's not that much. Most of my money is already deployed. I'm not really looking to buy more crypto right now. If we see another massive crash like we saw a few days ago, where Ethereum dropped to $2,100, right? And XRP went down to like $2, I would definitely buy more if we see a lot of, as Warren Buffett calls, blood in the streets. But I have positions in small cap coins that I think will do well once the market rebounds. A lot of those coins I've talked about on the station, a lot of small cap gaming, some AI coins, some decentralized science, DeSci coins. And these are small market cap coins that have really taken a hit. And I'll talk more about those in future videos just to remind you guys what I'm holding. But nonetheless, I am holding a lot of coins that when I believe the market rebounds, which I believe it will, those coins will do very well. But in my opinion, we're waiting for Ethereum to make up its mind what it's going to do. Is it going to keep going down lower? Is the ETH Bitcoin pair going to keep going down lower and lower? Or is Ethereum going to finally start going up regarding its Bitcoin pair, which we usually see at the beginning of a massive altcoin season? So that's basically it, guys. I'm just kind of holding tight and enjoying the good news that's coming in, even though it's not having a direct influence on the price yet. And everything we're seeing with the administration being incredibly pro-crypto, everything I shared in this video and in other videos, honestly, I can't imagine a world where crypto does not do well, because we have never seen things this pro-crypto, minus the fact that we are not in a quantitative easing cycle. We're still doing quantitative tightening, minus that fact, which is a big deal. Everything is looking incredible for the crypto industry. So I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what coins that I'm buying, what levels I'm buying them at, all that kind of stuff. If you want to buy some of these coins, you can check out BTCC. They have a ton of trading pairs. If you use my link, you can get a 10% deposit bonus up to $10,000, 40% less on your trading fees. And you can do so, if you want, using my link below. I've been using BTCC and I really like their platform. I hope you guys are doing well. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.